So the best clipper of 2024, and dare I say, of all time, just got a refresh. So before we get started, let me just say, I'm not getting paid to say anything I'm about to say. This is my honest opinion on this clipper. Although I did get sent this clipper for free, this is my full, transparent opinion of this product. So the best clipper being made right now is by the Pissed Off Barber. They're a fairly new company, but they've taken the barber world by storm over the last few years.
A TPOB.
TPOB is the Pissed Off Barber.
TPOB Play.
The marketing, it's bold, it's controversial.
Should be allowed to smoke in work.
In your face.
What's up, sis?
It's full of style. You either love it or you hate it.
I'm sorry, but from now on, I'm gonna say whatever I want.
But regardless on your opinion on the brand, the marketing, or the man behind the mask, this clipper is heaps and bounds better than anything out there right now. So this is the TPOB Play. It comes in black and it's shipped with customizable grips and face plates, and now it's available in this beautiful white color scheme. I've had this clipper for 6 months, and the question is, how does it hold up? But first, let's do a quick overview of this clipper. So this is the TPOB Play. It's got 2 speeds. First at 6,000 RPMs, and the second at 7,500 RPMs. It's got 5 hours of runtime. That only takes 3 hours to charge. It also comes with a charging stand, so you never have to worry about battery life on this thing. It's got a 5-click stretch lever. It opens up all the way to a number 1, and it's also equipped with the XO Fusion blade that has all these little oil reservoirs to keep the blade running much smoother and much cooler for longer periods of time. It's got great ergonomics. It feels really good. It feels lightweight, but also very premium feeling all at the same time. And my favorite part is how quiet it is. I'm pretty sure that these are the quietest clipper on the market right now. I've had this clipper for the last 6 months, not this one, but this one specifically. I've had the prototypes before release, and I wanted to give you guys my 6-month review. So how do these clippers hold up? So one of the main issues I have with other clippers in the past is they usually lose power or they stop holding a charge, and I can confirm that after 6 months of constant use, this clipper still works like it did when it was brand new out of the box. It charges right up to 100, and it still has plenty of power as if it was brand new. The lever has stayed very smooth. It's never loosened up on me over time, and it stays in the exact notch you want it in. It doesn't move around. The blade. Now I have a different blade on this purely for aesthetic purposes, but it still cuts very sharp. I've had no issues taking out trimmer guidelines, and it's never snagged hair, even when cutting the thickest of hairs. And one of the more underrated features of this clipper is the battery. It has never died on me, not even once. I think I've only seen the red low power indicator maybe once or twice ever, and that was just because I got lazy and I didn't put it in the charging stand between uses. This clipper can take a beating. Look, my clipper looks like it's seen some things, but it doesn't affect the performance at all. I've had clippers in the past by other companies where they lose power, the battery life diminishes, the blade gets loud, all within a few months, parts get loose. Not this. There are so much good things to say about this clipper. It's lightweight, it's powerful, it's customizable, quiet, and extremely affordable, especially compared to other premium clippers from other brands. Every barber, beginner or experienced, should have this clipper on their station. In my opinion, my honest to God, truthful opinion as it gets, this is the current king of all clippers, and it will be for a long time. Thank you for watching.
You can come out